Okay, who wants to get Max? Who wants to get Max? Do you want to get Max? Do you want to get Max? Let's go find Max. Oh, how fast can we get out the door?
What do you mean how fast can we get out the door? Oh my gosh, let me see Katy run so fast. Dad, can you hold my headlight?
Yeah, I can hold your headlight. Or just here. Incoming dog. Hey, Reese, come over here so the dogs come over here. Lucy, Katy. Lucy, I think she got you that time, girl. Griff, come here. Oh, the big tackle. You all right, buddy? Katy, come here. Max, you are a spaz hound. Max, you're unfortunately just outside your wire. Oh my God. Hey, that's not fair. Katy loves every minute of this too. What's up, Mo? She's a good girl. We got a battle royale over here. Max, let go of her. Pure joy. I see that, bud. All right, Max, hey. Max, I think Katy's figured out where your wire is. You love that, don't you?
Whoa, Max, no. There's the flag!
I see the flag. Griffin, they want your sticks. want to go home?
Yeah. Dad, you want to go watch the movie now?
Have you dogs had enough rolling in wet leaves? You know, this cool weather, they've got just energy galore. I think Katie's ready to head home. Let's go, ladies. Let's go, boys. Katy, just stirring the pot, aren't you?
Have you made the video, Dad?
Katy, get out of there. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Had to walk through the mulch.
Katy!
This way, Luce. Come on, this way, dogs. Come on, Griff.